हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, एक क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। देखिए इस क्वेश्चन में क्या है, एक वुडन ब्लॉक दिया है और एक बॉडी है जो उस वुडन ब्लॉक से 3 सेंटीमीटर पेनिट्रेट करता है, तो उसकी स्पीड जो है हाफ हो जाती है। तो लेट अस सी। देखिए राइट, इस तरीके से वुडन ब्लॉक होगा। ओके, नाउ यहाँ पे ये इनिशियली ये यू स्पीड से चला, ऑलराइट, और 3 सेंटीमीटर जाने के बाद, और यू कैन से लाइक 0.03 मीटर जाने के बाद इसकी स्पीड जो है u अपॉन 2 हो गई, राइट। उसके बाद बताना है, तो ये 3 सेंटीमीटर है। उसके बाद हाउ मच मोर इट विल पेनिट्रेट बिफोर कमिंग टू रेस्ट। सो ये इसके बाद भी कुछ डिस्टेंस जाएगा। सो लेट अस अज्यूम ये डिस्टेंस x गया और यहाँ पे इसकी स्पीड 0 हो गई। सो v बिकम्स 0, राइट। तो पहले फर्स्ट हाफ का देखते हैं, राइट। Let us assume this is the state 1, this is a state 2, and this is a state 3. So if I work between a state 1 and 2, so between 1 and 2, and since between 1 and 2 acceleration will be constant, so I can apply all the equations of motion. So I apply this one, va square minus u square is equal to 2as. So va square is u upon 2 square minus initial speed I have taken u only, so this will become u square is equal to 2. Here this is retardation, so the acceleration will be minus a or something, and s is how much, 0.03, and displacement will be in rightward direction only because the body is moving in right direction. So the displacement is rightward direction, so this will be positive because the rightward direction I have taken positive, right. So this will become 0.03. So this I am getting equation 1. If I solve this, so you will get here u square upon 4 minus u square is equal to minus 0.06 a. So this, from here I can say this will become minus 3u upon 4 is equal to minus 0.06 a. This will get cancelled out, and from here you will get the value 3u square upon 4 into 0.06. So this is the value of a is coming from equation 1. Now I can apply the same equation of motion between 2 and 3. So let us apply here between 2 and 3. So once again I will apply equation of motion v square minus u square is equal to 2as. Yes. Okay, v square, finally the velocity will become 0, so this has become 0 now. Ev, right, u is now u by 2, so this will become u square upon 4. 2 acceleration I can get from here, and here also the acceleration will be negative, so minus 3 u square upon 4 into 0.06 into s. So from here I can get the value of s. Okay, so here you can see this minus minus will get cancelled out, and this u square will also get, right, cancel out, and here you will get here, okay, 4 into 0.06 divided by, this will become 4 into 6, and this is coming the value of s. So from here this will get cancelled out, and this is coming 0.01 meter, that is s, or you can say like 1 centimeter. So the option is A. Okay students, I hope you understood this question.